Hi, I'm Marius.
Hi, I'm Joe.
Hi, I'm Marius.
Hi, I'm Joe.
Ross.
Hi, I'm Abby.
Hi, I'm Noreen.
Ah, Marius.
What looked after there?
Really clean and tidy.
I was very well equipped.
I just like the social aspect of everyone in the kitchen.
I've lived in lots of rented accommodation over the past 5 years. Sort of like provides everything, so all of the laundry detergent and the washing up stuff. It's just, the kitchen is just full of anything you need.
There's no arguments over who's buying what and who's using what.
It's very modern. And it's sort of like everyone has their own space. Like, I don't know, but my room, for example, we have the bathroom, we have, the bed, there's adequate place as well. And there's a mirror as well, that's quite helpful because I know a lot of places in the past they don't have mirrors. And the bathroom is really well done.
Very big windows, lots of sun comes in. I need that.
Yeah, you just don't go without anything at all. You've got your ensuite, the rooms are plenty big enough, every kitchen's spot on.
It definitely makes it feel like you've got your own space a bit more, so we only share the kitchen really.
Yeah, Tracey often leaves like bottles of wine and
Yeah.
beers and just little bits of that every now and again.
I think she's the best landlord I've ever had. Definitely, she really makes the place really nice and just really good for us to live in.
She's approachable. If you've got any problems or queries, and that you can just go to her. She'll just look after you.
And really easily contactable as well. We have like a house WhatsApp group and we just message on there. So during the pandemic, the water companies offered a thing where if you worked for the NHS you could get £50 off of your water bill, and I gave her all my NHS details and then she actually gave me that £50 back, which was really nice. I didn't expect that at all.
There's a key lock outside the front door, which you always got to do is message or ring Tracey for, and she'll tell you the code for if you don't already know. And then there's also room boxes under the stairs. So if you've completely lost your keys, you can't get your front door or your bedroom. So
I know what you bang on your window. Yeah.
We have a television.
Yeah.
And then the TV's also connected to the internet, so you can connect your Netflix to that, your YouTube to that, whatever you want with it. So that's really convenient as well.
the booster boxes as well. We've got the Wi-Fi booster boxes, so make sure that it reaches all the way to the top of the house.
All the rooms also have USBs on the plug sockets, so you can plug your USB chargers in like that.
Tracey pays for it all. Communal areas, Tracey does it once a week.
Yeah.
Or the kitchen.
Yeah, we don't have to do the garden either. She does it.
And the gardeners just come round not long, didn't she? Her and her son weeded all the garden for us. But window cleaner in as well, every couple of months.